Station. EBC, Eagle Broadcasting Corporation. Ito ang Radyo Agila. ECEC 1062 sa Mega Manila, WIN 1080 sa Northern Luzon, DCEL 1260 sa Southern Taga, UYFX 1305 sa Visayas, at DXEG 1224 sa Southern Mindanao. Ito ang Radyo Agila. Mabilis, malakas, mapapagasama. You have been listening to DZEC 1062 kHz Radyo Agila, a commercial AM station owned and operated by the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation with license from the National Telecommunications Commission with station license number BSD-021-2021-0937, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 2024. DZEC 1062 Radyo Agila broadcasts from 4 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock midnight with a power of 40,000 watts. Our studio is located at number 25 Central Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. And our transmitter is located at Barangay Paliwas, Obando, Bulacan. DZEC 1062 Radyo Agila is under the supervision of the following personnel duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics Engineer Erickson Ventura, ECE number 44844. Electronics Engineer Arturo Pascua Jr., ECE number 43934. With first-class radio telephone operators. Our studio personnel, Enrico Erdite, registration number 94-1RTG-7204. Gracious Pascual, registration number 92-3PNCR-352. Our transmitter personnel, Mervin Ortiz, registration number 94-1PNCR-10851. Ronel Mariado, registration number 13-1PNCR-26656. This is DZEC 1062 kHz Radyo Agila, now signing off. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.